What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna clean my engine bay on the daily car. So as you guys know that our country, Malaysia, is in a lockdown, and today it's day 8 and I've already got nothing to do. So I was thinking, like, why not just give the daily car a little bit of love by starting with an engine bay steam clean and then following up by maybe a full exterior polish and then maybe an interior clean as well. So stay tuned guys. Yo guys, so I'm done with the engine bay detail as you can see in the cinematic video. So I'll continue tomorrow since the sky is getting dark, and I will be doing the exterior. Probably going to take a few days on the exterior because I have nothing else better to do. So I'm going to do a orange peel removal, then follow up with polishing and all to make the surface mirror finish, and then maybe remove some of the paint overspray from years ago, and maybe I'll even remove the wheels to detail the behind of the wheels, wash the fender lining and wheel arch and everything. So hope you guys enjoyed this short video, and I'll see you guys soon. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Press on the bell button for post notifications, and I'll see you guys soon.